going to learn about Python variables. To demo the Python variables, I've created a new Python file, variables.py. For beginners, if you have to create a new Python file, you had to click here and do the right click, new Python file, and that's how you create a new Python file to start coding. So in the variables.py, I have used the hashtag to do some comments. So I'm trying to explain when you create a Python variable, there are a set of rules. Variable name is case sensitive. So if you create a variable name with all lowercase and another variable with n uppercase, they are treated two different variables. So you have to remember it's case sensitive. And the variable names should start with alphabets or underscore, so it cannot start with a number. And also the variable name cannot be Python keywords. Keywords are some special word that the Python uses. Like example, print is a function that we use. So you cannot have a variable name print as an example, right? So there are a set of reserved keywords that has a special meaning in Python, and you should not use them as a variable name. So looking at these are some examples for variables. So name with a string value, age with the numeric value. The variable name can also start with underscore. So just to demo this use case, we have this underscore age with the numeric value. And it can also be alphanumeric. So like name 1, name 2, also you can have, right? And you can also have a simple variable name with one letter, like A, B, C can also be variable names, right? And so we're going to print a couple of these variables that we have assigned to showcase how it's going to look like. So let's look at the output window. You can see Tim and 25 that came from these two print statements. Okay. Now, when you look at the variable, there are different ways to assign values. You can do one at a time, or you can combine assigning the values. Even though I won't recommend, it's not very readable. So you should always try to code that's more user readable. But sometimes you might run into certain code you don't want to get confused. So just to let you know, you could assign values like fruit1, fruit2, fruit3 equal to mango, banana, strawberry. So the value will be assigned in the same order listed here. And so in this example, we have assigned this value. So you could print the values using the print function. So print is it's an inbuilt library function that you can use to print the values of variables, or it could be string. You can concatenate the values inside the print method. So here I'm printing the variables one at a time, 1 to fruit1, fruit2, fruit3. You can also print in this format, like fruit1, fruit2, fruit3. This is another way to print. And if you do this, I'll show you how the output is going to look like. So for the above prints, you can see mango, banana, strawberry. And for this statement, in comma parameters, they are printed automatically here with the spaces in between. But then when I print, I can also concatenate, this is combine it together. While combining, I have added spaces in between. So you see mango, banana, strawberry. So if you want to create a one single string, you can do that. You can also create a combined value like fruits equal to fruit 1 plus fruit 2 plus fruit 3 print fruits. Let's see. As you can see, it does print here, but without spaces, because this fruit 1, 2, 3 doesn't have spaces. Okay, so it's very simple to define variables in Python and use them, and we'll try it out and play around with different type of variables, and make yourself familiar with how to use the variables. And that's the end of this video. And take time to review the exercise on the variables. Also subscribe for more videos. Thank you.